guys, it is Monday, some date in February, and today is awesome because I just got a whole bunch of new ringtones. And when I say got a whole bunch of new ringtones, I mean I tried to get a whole bunch of new ringtones, but only like 3 sent to my phone. But yeah, also I'm doing a floor vlog because Dr. Noise is a huge, fat, peer pressurer, and made a floor vlog, and I'm like, I want to make a floor vlog. He was like, yeah, you should. And I'm like, fine, and now I'm doing it. Okay, it's probably a little bit over-exaggerated about what happened, but I don't care. Adam's birthday collab video that was supposed to be up months ago. Okay, last month. Yeah, a lot of clips just disappeared. When I say a lot of clips, I mean my mouses. Then some people never set in clips, and Miranda's clip wouldn't send. So the only person we have left is Kate, and that'll just be her video tomorrow. I consult her in that decision, but I don't care. Okay, anyway. Back to the songs. Yeah. Right, we guys go ask Hot Pink Jesus some questions, and his username is in the doobly-doo.
The wonderful thing about Tigger, in Tigger they're wonderful things. Their trunks are made out of rubber, their bottoms are made out of springs. They're bouncy, chunky, bouncy, bouncy, fun, 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 fun. But the most wonderful thing about Tigger is I'm the only one. I'm the only one. Okay, I'll tell you. Do you know the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man. Yes, I know the Muffin Man. Who lives on Drury Lane? Well, she's married to the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man? The Muffin Man! She's married to the Muffin Man.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide.
Sledge, General Lee, side duck, Arcanine, Eevee, Executor, Kaboot, Top Set, Dr. Teeny, Bowlight, Mr. Mime, Cubone, Grappler, Voltorb, Clue. We're almost home! Gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all! Gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon! Hey. Charmeleon! Wartortle, Mewtwo, Tentacruel, Aerodactyl, Ammonite, Slowpoke, Pidgeot, Arbok. That's all, folks! Catch 'em, gotta catch 'em all, gotta catch 'em all, Pokemon.
Pokemon brings all the nerds
nerds to the yard, and they're like, do you want to trade cards? Damn right, I want to trade cards, I will trade you. But now my Charizard, my Pokemon brings all the nerds to the yard, and they're like, do you want to trade cards? Damn right, I want to trade cards, I will trade you. But now my Charizard.
This one's going to be Mandy's ringtone, because for those of you who know her, she is a mudkip.
Mudkip, the mudfish Pokemon. Mudkip uses the sensitive radar receptors on its head fin to determine what's going on around it. In a pinch, it can brandish enough power to crush rocks. Mom! Yip! 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 Mom! I'm gonna sing the Doom song now. Doom, 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 doom. Would you please stop singing? I thought I saw a putty cat. I did. I saw a putty cat.
Totally do not have a stuffed Tweety that says that. Nope.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, wait a minute, I don't belong to you. Put me down, you creep. Hey, somebody help, dude. What part of no do you not understand? Fire, fire, fire. I'm not your phone. Don't even think about answering. I don't belong to you. Put me down, and eventually my owner will come back and pick me up. If you don't stop touching me, I will call the police. If you haven't noticed, I'm a phone. I can do that pretty quick. 911, buddy, I got it right here on my speed dial. Fire, fire, fire. I don't belong to this douchebag. Hello, somebody help me. Oh, that's it. I'm calling your mother.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together kooky, the Addams Family.
Why so serious?
Chelsea, please answer your phone. Chelsea. Chelsea, answer your phone. Chelsea, answer your phone. Chelsea. Chelsea. Chelsea, I'm not going to tell you again. Answer your phone. Answer it. And press the button now. Press the button. Answer it.
She is a butthole 'cause she thinks she's so cool, but she really isn't. She is lazy 'cause she doesn't do anything but sleep.
Son of a gun. You thought I was going to say son of a bitch, didn't you?
Chubby little cubby, all stuffed with fluff. He's Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, willy-nilly, silly old bear.
Jumped out of bed and I ran outside, feeling so ecstatic, fine. It's the best day ever. It's the best day ever. John the non-believer. John.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke you broke.
I was at Dairy Queen the other day. And there was this guy that looked almost exactly like Ollie. And it was really creepy. And it was just like... At first glance, I'm like, oh, okay, Ollie's standing beside me. Wait.